Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtech, and here we are. Today we're unboxing the Pixel Buds, the Google Pixel Buds, which were out for a while in the US, but have only just come to the UK. And I got them delivered a while ago, but I've been testing out some other things. But today we're going to crack them open and see what they're all about. So here we go. Got my trusty scissors this time because unboxings can be a bit tricky. All right, so here they are. Let's crack these open. And here we have it. Oh, that's satisfying. That pill kind of box is pretty damn nice. The black on white. The Nexus 5 look is back. The Google Pixel 2 XL is back. I really like the black and white design, the Stormtrooper look. What else do we have in the box? Oh, we have 2 extra sized earbuds, look like silicone ear tips to me, 2 extra ear tips there. And we have a USB to USB-C cable, which is nice to see. Everything should be USB-C, please. No more USB, no more micro USB. So we've got the 2 extra silicone tips here, which you can test out, I suppose, and see which fits best for you. And here are the Pixel Buds. So yeah, they look kind of nice. They've got the hook on each one, and case seems pretty solid. You've got the hook, as you can probably tell, to hold them into your ear. And I'm pretty excited to test these out. Testing out the battery life, the sound, how they compare to my Jabras and the OnePlus. And I really want to see how they get on over some time using them. So the case feels really actually quite solid, quite heavy in comparison to these two. And I'm going to see how they get on. This was just a quick unboxing. I really want to test them out. I know there's some positives and negatives behind it, and these could fit perfectly with my Pixel 5, which I'm actually looking to get in a few months' time. So yes, I know I just picked up the Nord, but the Pixel Buds are looking pretty sweet, if I'm honest. They look really nice. I'll test them out, and I'll let you know what I think. This was just a quick unboxing to see what they're like in hand. This was Foxtech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.